Welcome to my channel Ankur Tutorials. Here today we will be discussing about exercise 1.3, that is revisiting irrational number. So सबसे पहले क्या कर सकते हैं, हम लोग के पास एक थ्योरम है, let P be a थ्योरम. इसको जस्ट समझो. थ्योरम 1.4. Let P be a prime number. Let P be a prime number if P divides a square. Then P divides A. Where A belongs to a positive integer. ओके, सो इधर जो थ्योरम दिया है, थ्योरम में क्या बोला गया, P अगर एक प्राइम नंबर होता है तो P डिवाइड्स A स्क्वायर. अगर A स्क्वायर को P से डिवाइड किया जा सकता है, देन A को भी P से डिवाइड किया जा सकता है. इसका बेसिक मीनिंग है ये. With using this theorem only we will try to prove that root 2 is irrational and root 3 is irrational. So let us first prove root 2 as irrational number, then we will come to root 3, then we will come to exercise. So number 1 theorem, prove that root 2 is irrational. Let root 2 be a rational number. Then root 2 can be expressed in the form of A by B या फिर P upon Q where B not equals to 0. डिनोमिनेटर 0 नहीं होगा. तो इधर से A का वैल्यू क्या मिला, root 2 B. Squaring both sides, we get A square equals to root 2 B whole square, which is equal to A square equals to 2 B square. Here we see 2 divides A square, so 2 will divide A using the previous theorem. A divides A square divides P, so A divide P using the theorem 1.4. Okay, I hope you all have got. And how to divides, इधर क्या है, A square equals to root twice B है, ये 2 तो डिवाइड है, मल्टीप्लाइड है, इधर आएगा तो क्या होगा, A square by 2 is equal to B square. So ऐसे करके 2 divides A square, तो 2 will also divide A. Now let A is equal to 2C या फिर K ले सकते हो, Z ले सकते हो, कुछ भी ले सकते हो. Squaring both sides, we get A square equals to 2C whole square. So that will give you A square का कितना वैल्यू है, twice B square. तो रिप्लेस कर दिया, इधर हो गया 4C square. So 2 1s are 2, 2 2s are 4. B square equals to 2C. That is 2 divides B square, so 2 will divide B. तो इतना तक समझ में आ गया. आई होप यू ऑल हैव अंडरस्टूड दिस मच. सो मूविंग ऑन फर्दर, that since both A and B has 2 as a common factor, so root 2 is irrational. बट क्या ये सही है? हम लोग का एजम्पशन क्या था? हम लोग का एजम्पशन रॉन्ग था. इसीलिए क्या कर सकते हैं इसको? सिंस आवर assumption that root 2 is rational, and so root 2 is irrational. कितना सिंपल था, है ना? Hope you all have understood this. Let us move for root 3, sorry. Root 3 is irrational. Let us see. Let us assume root 3 to be a rational number. Therefore, root 3 can be written in the form of a by b. तो इसको 3b is equal to a, that is a equals to root 3b. Squaring both sides, we get a square is equal to 3b square. So a 3 divides a square, so 3 divides a. इतना समझ में आ गया? Now let a is equal to 3c. Squaring both sides, we get a square equal to 3c whole square. a square इधर से अगर सब्स्टिट्यूट किया गया a square का वैल्यू, तो ये मिलेगा 3b square equals to 9c square. 3 3 is 9, तो b square equals to 3c square. So here we see 3 divides b square, so 3 divides b. Now this was our assumption. We predicted something, so we got 3 as common factor for both a and b. So we see 3 as a common factor for both a and b. Hence root 2 is rational. This arose due to our wrong assumption that root 2 is rational. and hence root 2 is irrational. Now let us solve for next exercise 1.3. Here we have number 2. Number 1 question I think you all can solve. Let root 5 be a rational number. This would be a homework for you all. So let us start from number 2. If you go through my videos, you will find it very easier. Exercise 1.3 number 2. What is that? Prove that 3 plus 2 root 5 3 plus 2 root 5 is rational. So let 3 plus 2 root 5 solution part 2 root 5 3 plus 2 root 5 be a rational number. Therefore 3 plus 2 root 5 can be written as a by b form where b not equals to 0. तो इधर से क्या मिलेगा 2 root 5 इधर रहेगा, इधर जाएगा a by b minus 3. 2 root 5 can further be expressed as a minus 3 times b by b, or root 5 is equal to a minus 3b अपन ये इंटू है इधर जाएगा तो डिवाइड होके b के साथ बैठ जाएगा. Here we see root 5 is rational. Therefore 3 plus 2 root 5 will also be rational. But due to our wrong assumption, that root 5 is rational, therefore 3 plus 2 root 5 is irrational. I hope you all have understood this question. Okay, moving on to the next part. Question number 3. Prove the following as are irrational numbers. अभी नंबर 3 सॉल्व करते हैं तो उसमें देखते हैं क्या निकल आता है आंसर. 2 and 3 are the basic questions I think, but only number 1, that is root 5, root 7, root 3, root 11, this all you can face problems, so note down and practice it well. I think I am very much sure that you will easily able to understand. So let us see. Prove that the following numbers are irrational. 1 by root 2. Let 1 by root 2 be a Rn, rational number. Therefore 1 by root 2 can be written as a by b, b not equals to 0, तो इसको घुमा दिया, रूट 2 by 1 किया तो ये हो गया b अपन a. इसका रेसिप्रोकल ऊपर तो इसका भी रेसिप्रोकल ले लिया, तो रूट 2 इज इक्वल टू b अपन a. Hence root 2 is rational. So root 2 can be these arrows due to our wrong assumption. Therefore root 2 is irrational. अगर ये irrational है तो 1/√2 भी so is also irrational. ओके, आई होप आप सबको समझ में आ गया होगा. जैसे कि दूसरा एक नंबर है 7√5. 7√5. तो लेट solution part, let 7√5 be a rational number. So 7√5 can be expressed in the form of a by b, where b not equals to 0.